Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix packet loss, high ping and lag spikes in Roblox on PC. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, I will show you easiest ways and then I will go with the harder ways, but don't worry about it, the harder ways is quite easy too. So what you need to do first is to go to Task Manager or open up Task Manager, then go to a performance, 3 dots, resource monitor, and then go to network, and then under processes with network activity, just close all the tasks that use a lot of your network connection. So let's say I play Roblox and I don't need LG Hub, so I just need to end all the tasks, right? So just end the tasks that you don't need while play the game, and then look if you're getting better connection or not. If not, then open up Google, go to Roblox server status, just write it down, and then press on Roblox status and look if the service is not down. As you can see here, all systems operational. If it's not, if it's on red, you just need to wait because you cannot do nothing about it, right? And after that, you just need to open up initpass.com and test your internet speed. If you get good internet speed, you're good to go. If you don't, maybe it's some limit some devices on or restart your router. Then what you need to do here, open up CMD or command prompt, right click on it, run as admin, and here you need to put few commands. First one is ipconfig /flush DNS. Another command is nesh winsock reset. After that, go to search settings, then go to network and internet, advanced network settings, and reset network and reset your network. If you're using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi password again. If you're using internet cable, you don't need to do nothing. Then make sure VPN is not enabled here. If you have some, then go to control panel, then look for network and sharing center, then change adapter settings, right click on your internet properties, then double click on internet protocol version 4, and then use the following DNS server addresses. And on preferred DNS server, you just need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server 8.8.4.4, and apply the changes. Look if the problem persists or not after you restart your computer. If the problem persists, then you just need to write run or simply press Windows and I key. Then here you need to write gpedit.msc. Then here you need to look for Windows settings, a policy-based QoS, right click on it, advanced QoS settings, select DSCP marking override, select control DSCP marking requests, and then press ignore. Then you need to right click again, create new policy, then select, just write policy name, so write Roblox here, put 46 and press next. Select only applications with this executable name. Then on search, you just need to write Roblox player, right click on it, open file location, right click again, and open file location here. And then make sure to press view, show, make sure file name extensions is enabled, and then look for Roblox player beta.txt, right? And then you just need to rename it, copy the name, put it here, and then just write .txt. Press next. These options are good, and a destination IP address, any source IP address. And then here, select TCP and UDP and press finish. And then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, open up that particular folder where is Roblox player is located. Then copy the path. Then what you need to do here is to open up Windows Defender Firewall. Then select allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, change settings, allow another app, browse. And here you need to put, paste the path, and then add exe file here, and add. And then press OK, close. Then go to virus and threat protection. Then here, select virus threat protection, manage settings, then exclusions, and then folder, and then here paste the path here again, and then select Roblox here and select folder, and look if the problem persists. And still, if you're getting lag spikes, packet loss, and high ping, I highly advise you to use ExitLag. It's easy to set up. It has 72 hours free trial, and the best part of it, you don't need to put any credit card details to get a free trial. All you need to do here is to click the link in the description below, register through my link. Don't put any of the credit card details, and then when you log into your account, you can download ExitLag. And what it does, simply, it will find the best connection for your game. So usually local internet providers do not connect to the nearest server. This means when you're not connected to the nearest server, you get higher ping and packet loss. So with ExitLag, you will connect to the nearest server with lowest available ping. And to set up everything here, you just need to launch ExitLag. Then you need to look for Roblox. Then here you select choose region or server, select your region on automatic. Then what you need to do here is to apply routes, and then launch the game and enjoy without lag. So yeah, that's basically it. If I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.